Hey guys, it's Sia here back with another video. Today's gonna be a real quick, simple video. I'm gonna show you guys how I preserve my curls at night. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Alright guys, so pretty much I don't do a whole lot. I know a lot of people do the whole pineapple method. I never really had good luck with the pineapple method. I don't know, it just never works out. My hair ends up looking crazy. I don't know if it's the length of my hair or what, but I never get good results. So this is the method that I use when my hair is at its curly state. This is a way of me preserving my curls. It works for me. I know a lot of people do the banding method. I've tried the banding method. It's all right, but I feel like it changes my curl pattern. This method I use, it doesn't really change the curl pattern. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So it's gonna be a quick video. I'm not gonna talk you guys' heads off today. All right, so what you're gonna need is a oil. Today I'm gonna be using because I'm running out of oil, guys. So yeah, this is the OK almond butter. This is the OK, I think OK Naturals. It's 100% almond butter. So I'm going to use almond butter today. And then, but usually I use like an oil. And I'll just put a little bit on my hands. Okay, and of course you're going to need a scarf. And you're going to need 4 bobby pins. Yeah. Alright, so let's get started. And let's see. I'm just going to section my hair, guys. So I'm just going to section, and I usually just take my hair into 4 sections. Okay, so I'm going to get me some almond butter, and that's kind of like what's going on right there. I'm just going to take a little bit of it. Like I said, I usually use the oil, but today I'm just going to use the almond butter just to make sure your hands are nice and coated with oil, so that, you know, to kind of help with the frizz. So I'm just kind of, I don't know what that is on my hands. Anyhow, I'll just do that. And then I'll take the section, and then I'll just take it and I'll do a chunky twist. So that's all I do. So I'm just going to take a chunky twist like this. So that's one. My hands are kind of still coated with oil, butter, so I'm not going to worry about adding any more. I'm just going to twist this section. I just twist it easy, guys. I mean, like, you know, I just, you know, loosely twist it. I don't do a whole lot, just to gather my hair up, really. I just, yeah. So I'm not going like, I'm not really, you know, I'm just loosely twisting, as you can see. Alright, then I just took a little more butter to apply to this side. So once again, I'm just loosely twisting, guys. Loosely twisting. I find that this method does not disturb my curl pattern, so I'm just twisting it like this. Yeah, I remember when I used to try to do the pineapples back in the day. And I don't know, guys, comment down below if you have this problem, but I would do my pineapple right, and then I wake up in the morning and like half of it's like sitting on top of my head and the other half is like flattened and it's like it's really super stretched, and I almost had like a mullet. My hair looked like a mullet kind of hairstyle. I don't know what was going on. I was like, something's got to give because my hair is not. So I've been doing this method probably going on 2 years, probably going on 2 or 3. 2 or 3 years, and it works like a charm. So I am now finished with my chunky twist. I'm just gonna turn around so you can see. Okay. Then I'm just gonna take my bobby pins. Now, and then what I'm gonna do is kind of pin the twist around my hair, so or around my head. So let me turn around this. Okay, guys. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the front 2 twists and I'm pinning it to the back side of my head. So I'm securing that with a bobby pin. Taking the other chunky twist and pinning it to the other side. Okay, then I'm taking the 2 back chunky twists and pinning it to the front of my hair and securing it with a bobby pin. So that's how it looks, guys. Okay. I know it looks kind of crazy, but yeah. This is how I do it. Then I'm just going to take my scarf. It's kind of like my way of wrapping my curls. I mean, I'm just wrapping my curls really. But I do the chunky twist so that it's easier to, you know, wrap the twist around my hair. So that's what I do. Now I'll take a scarf like this, a nice long black scarf. Or why it ain't gotta be black, y'all, but I'll just take a long scarf. Any kind of scarf you have, just take your scarf and tie it like that. I usually go from the front and pull it back to the go from the back, pull it up to the front. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's kind of it's late in the day. It's late in the day. Alright, and then I'm just going to tie it like that. Just going to kind of cover the back a little bit. Yes, there we go. Alright, so that's all I do, guys. I probably will let you guys see the takedown in the morning. Yeah, I probably will let y'all see the takedown just so you can know what I do from there. This is what I do as far as putting my hair up at night, but I'll let y'all see the takedown. So I'll see you guys in the morning so you can see how it looks when I take it down. Alright, bye guys. Alright guys, so I'm just taking my scarf down. This is the next morning, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out all the pins. Okay, then I'm going to take some of the OK almond butter and I'm going to apply that to my hands to unravel each twist. And as you can see, I just run my fingers through the hair just to separate my curls. Yep, so I just take each twist down and kind of just work my hands through my curls just to make sure that it's nice and separated. As you can see, my hair is nice and elongated from the way I had my twist, the way I had the twist wrapped around my head. It doesn't stay that elongated. It actually will shrink just a tad throughout the day. But pretty much, as you can see, it preserves the curls and it doesn't really change the curl pattern. So that is how it looks, guys. Please let me know what you think about this method. Let me know what you do to preserve your curls at night, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.